everyone. My name is Zubaid, and I have built this LLM powered chatbot for the final project for CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. My GitHub is at the social Zubaid, and my edX name is Muhammad12. I'm from Lahore, Pakistan, and the day I am recording this is 15th of June of 2025. So I'll just go over with the code itself, that what I have actually built with the prototype version, and then we can just simply go over with the code. So I've just built this application with the front end and the back end utilizing JavaScript and HTML, CSS, and Python as the backend for this entire application. So as you can see that I've implemented and I've ensured that the entire thing is integrated with the LLMs. I'll just simply write down that response. I'll just simply say, what is Harvard's CS50? And based on that, it's going to provide me with a response. So as you can see that this entire prompt has been generated by Google's Gemini API key itself, right? So this is the entire thing, and this is how it works in a simple way. Now when we just maneuver over to the code itself, I've got the backend with the py, with the main py file, where I have utilized fast API keys, HTTP connections, and uh, cards as like the main cross operation references to ensure that the front end and the back end can work together. I've utilized the keys, then I have implemented prompt engineering, the concept of prompt engineering, and understood that how we could eventually convert those messages and put them those responses. Then using the implementation procedures at using Python web-based implications, I've used the post method and I've used the get method to eventually get to some sort of a thing. Now, when I maneuver over to the index HTML, it's just a simple HTML file with the code itself, and then the style.css file is used to eventually ensure that the HTML format remains consistent. And the JavaScript provides with additional functionalities to ensure that we can have more actions on the index on the page itself. So as you can see that it's connected with the base URL, uh, and since the entire application is hosted on a local host in the GitHub terminal, we are going to be having the same we're going to be having the same reference or the same port itself. So this is a simple overview of the entire code, and through this code I was not only able to learn about stuff, but I was able to implement it in a more structured and in a more sequential manner.